Hey everybody, Steel Raven here. Just wanted to show you something cool I found in the options menu. If you scroll down here, you can see sound effects. So let's see what else we got in here. Oh, got some acapella action. Let's hear it.